Every person is unique, and that includes their smile. At Brumbach Family Dentistry, we're here to serve your individual needs. It's what's best for you and best for your smile.
An appointment at Brumbach Family Dentistry is an opportunity to connect with a team of people known for being friendly, helpful, and confident in what they do. Dr. Zach Brumbach provides a spectrum of care that covers the entire family: preventative treatments, cosmetic, restorative, and surgical procedures, and he's licensed to administer conscious IV sedation, aided by digital X-rays and advanced 3D imaging for diagnosis. A more personalized, higher quality level of care is the result.
What I love about being a patient of Dr. Brumbach is his meticulous and gifted expertise, while knowing that my family and I will be well taken care of by his staff.
Ensuring you always feel at ease and dedicated to creating a lifetime of healthy smiles. We are Brumbach Family Dentistry.